In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find Notion through Google, sign in, open a bucket list dashboard, and start entering meaningful details so your ideas become clear, organized, and motivating. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Notion. You'll see results for the official site. Click the result that leads to the main Notion homepage. A quick tip: always make sure you're on the legitimate site before proceeding so your information stays secure. Once you're on the Notion homepage, look for the Login option. Click that to access your workspace. Use your usual sign-in method, and if your account is already active on the device, you may land in your workspace automatically. If you see multiple workspaces, choose the one where you want to build or view your bucket list. Notion saves as you go, which keeps your progress safe without extra steps. Inside Notion, open the bucket list dashboard. If it's visible on your home screen, click it directly. If not, use the search bar at the top of Notion to find Bucket List Dashboard and select it from the results. This dashboard is your central hub for collecting experiences you want to have, skills you want to learn, and places you want to visit. Think of it as your launchpad for turning aspirations into action. Now click into the blank page or empty area where you can start typing and begin adding the details of your bucket list. Keep each entry focused and descriptive. For example, include the name of the goal, a short reason it matters to you, and any specifics that make it easier to accomplish, like a rough time frame, a location, or an estimated budget. If you're not sure where to start, begin with a few ideas that excite you most. Those are easier to define and will build momentum. As you add items, give yourself context so future you knows what to do next. You might note a first step, a helpful resource, or a target season, such as summer or by the end of the year. Grouping similar items can also help. For instance, you can cluster travel ideas together or learning goals together. If you enjoy a visual touch, add a short header before each theme, or include an emoji that captures the spirit of the goal. Notion will automatically save your entries, so you can freely refine as inspiration strikes. That's it. Using Google to reach Notion, logging in, opening your bucket list dashboard, and thoughtfully entering your ideas. Revisit this page regularly, update details as plans evolve, and celebrate each item you bring to life.